Hey, this is Chuck Reed with Kriete Truck Center. Here we've got a 2020 Volvo VNR day cab. This unit is powered by a 455 horsepower D13 engine, the 12-speed I-shift transmission, 2-line wet kit, nice wheelbase on this truck, locking forward differential, 407,000 miles on this unit. If you've got questions about this truck or any of the others in our inventory, talk to Chuck or stop into any of our locations and see your used truck rep for whatever we need. Thank you.